Hi everybody, this is Agnes from Sediment, and tonight it's Halloween, so we will talk about bad sommeliers and horrible things some of them might do. First of all, sommelier is a profession. It is someone who not only is in charge of drink selection in restaurants and hotels, but also has deep knowledge in alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, has people skills, and at some point has worked or is working on the floor in the restaurant. Anyway, as with any profession, there are some good sommeliers and there are some bad and ugly ones. And today, I'm going to talk about the bad and the ugly ones. So these are the 5 things only bad sommelier will do. I have worked as a sommelier for more than 10 years, and I have never bragged about an expensive bottle I have sold. Sommelier should be more concerned about what client wants and make sure that he or she returns to your restaurant rather than making one-time super expensive sell. So, if at some point you are starting to feel uncomfortable because you are being pushed to buy a bottle that costs more than you initially wanted to pay, you are being served by a bad sommelier. Good sommelier will make suggestions at several price points and you will be able to choose wine comfortably. Anyway, while we're on the subject of price, at first, it might seem nice when your sommelier says, "I know exactly what you want, I will bring the wine that you will enjoy," and you actually do. What a nice experience. But did anyone mention that this specific glass of champagne cost $120? Would you have ordered another one and another one if you knew that? Yes, some sommeliers might defend themselves by saying, "But I mentioned this is Salon Blanc de Blanc, and everyone should know that this is not a cheap wine." No, I mean no. Not everyone is aware how really expensive wine can get, and no one should be punished for that. Well, this is especially nasty, because if the sommelier knows that the wine is corked or otherwise spoiled and still insists on serving it and charging for it, you are being served by a especially ugly sommelier. This, of course, is a sensitive subject, because what is wine gone bad or oxidized to one could be very matured yet still drinkable wine to another. Good sommelier will change the bottle of wine and will not charge you for the spoiled one. Well, also, if you are ordering a wine that has shown some problems before, such as high percentage of corked wines or expensive old vintage of rare wine, sommelier will inform you about that. As some rare and old bottles of wine cannot be exchanged and you still be charged for them. It's probably just my dog. To be honest, I don't look at this issue as critical, especially if the wine list is extensive and comes in several volumes. However, I expect sommelier to help me choose the wine, not spending a lot of time going through the wine list and searching for something. Where was it? Where was it? I know I had Albarino somewhere here. It was nothing. The wind probably just knocked open the window. And here is the final one. I am a strong believer that waiting staff are ladies and gentlemen who are serving other ladies and gentlemen, so it kind of goes both ways. But snobby some can be especially irritating. Yes, we all want you to try something else besides Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand, but we also should understand that maybe today particularly you are not feeling very adventurous. An Aussie Sauvignon Blanc will bring you some well-known comfort. Plus, a good sommelier will never make you feel uncomfortable if you're ordering nice wine with ice, don't know how to pronounce specific grape variety or region, or if you simply would like to order a beer.